Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. I think a very interesting chart to watch at the moment. I warned you that we will see a reversal with a high likelihood in this green target range. That green target range was formulated already a well, not a very long time ago, but a while ago. Yeah, we did get, as expected, into this target range and we are now reversing out of it. So as far as that's concerned, it's currently all going according to plan, which means that from the low here, which was at the on the 17th of June, we moved up in a wave 1. That is what we can currently see in an impulsive wave 1. We moved down in an ABC correction in a wave 2. We then moved up in a wave 3, hit that target perfectly. I talked to the channel members of the main, more crypto online channel about some profit taking up here. Yeah, I think which was a good call. We're now moving down in wave 4 because what we don't know yet, if this scenario is going to work out. I mean, what you always want to see normally, yeah, is a first relevant 5-wave impulse to understand if the low was actually in, and then a 3-wave pullback to the downside. Until we see that, and then in that wave 3 pullback area, it's a good accumulation phase, setting off then for the larger next wave to the upside. Until we haven't seen that, things are fairly uncertain, yeah, because we have no guarantee. This could very well still be just a wave A, coming down in a wave A, we're moving now up in a wave B, and we would then come down in a wave C, finishing off in this lower target area. Yeah, this is the alternative scenario. I would give that a 40% likelihood. Currently, I'm giving the bullish scenario a 60% likelihood. That hasn't changed. Yeah, we moved to the bullish scenario above 3,950. I think that was a good call. From that move, when we did that, we moved up 9%, 9.5%. That is quite good for the S&P 500 in a short period of time. A lot of stocks moved up significantly. And from here, we then expected the reversal in wave 4. Now, the wave 4, you would expect the wave 4 to reverse. I mean, we've already broken the 23.6% fib level, and the way this is looking like this is getting a bit longer. So ideally, you would expect the reversal to get into this area between the 38.2% fib level, which is at $40,096, all the way down to 4,000, of course, 4,024. This would be the 50% fib level. Normally, you would not go below the 50% fib level in a wave 4. I mean, I would give it the benefit of the doubt and would even all the way down to the 61.8% fib level count it as a wave 4 in this case. But that is only because you wouldn't invalidate the wave 4. The wave 4 will only be invalidated if you get into the wave 1 price range. So this would then also mean if we go below 3,950, which is the wave 1 high and which is below the 50% fib level, that we have to put more emphasis on the bearish scenario again. And that means we need to reverse in this area to maintain the current wave count. If we don't reverse in this area, then there's still another bullish option, and we could count it as a 1-2-1-2. But also here then it will get tricky. Yeah, 1-2-1-2 is already getting a bit difficult then. Ideally, we want to see it just play out as it's indicated here on the roadmap. Again, below 3,950, it will put more emphasis on the bearish scenario. There would still be one bullish scenario left, but very importantly, we would then have invalidated the most, not the most likely, but the most ideal bullish scenario, and that is never a good sign. And then it could very well be that we will make one more low. That would then go into the region between 3,350 and 3,600. And if we get into this area, then I would expect a reversal from there to the upside. So that we just have a little bit of a longer correction. But so far it was looking good. It still is looking good. So we just need to see how this eventually will play out and if we have a chance and if we will reverse in this green area. And then we would move up in a wave 5, and where that will land, we will be able to calculate that as soon as we know where the wave 4 is ending. So this is currently how I see the market here, the S&P 500. What is very important to understand as well that in various asset classes we can see currently such a correction. Crypto, we can see it in gold and silver. The oil market is coming down further, and I think the gas price is also soon coming down in a correction. And this is definitely a stress test for the bullish scenario. Yeah, it's a stress test. There is no guarantee at the moment. We're in a very, very early stage. You know, we come from a very, very long correction. We have potentially bottomed out here in this green. It was already a reversal area back then. Yeah, so that was spot on. So anybody who bought here had a chance. And these reversal areas are areas where I do expect reversals. Yeah. Before then we had a target here. We had a target here. We had the reversal area here. We have another reversal area here. So just from there to there, if you just, even if you bought at the upper end and sold here at the lower thingy, boundary, you would have made 11.4% just by trading this, you know, as a future basically. But obviously a lot of stocks and shares performed even better. Yeah, but yeah, this was a good money could be made here. Now we're in this correction, and ideally we want to move up. But yeah, it's a stress test for the bullish scenario. And if this one fails, then we will have to get more comfortable with the fact that there will be another low, which would again be a great opportunity for accumulating. And eventually these areas are there for buying, yeah, when you expect a reversal to the upside, and taking some profits when you expect a reversal to the downside. So far we are on track. And even if we go below this area, for me it wouldn't be a disaster, because this is again an area where some profits can be taken. And I believe I talked about that also in the previous videos. Good, and that's currently here my view about the S&P 500. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. And maybe you also want to follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the video description. Very important, only please follow the official channel. And there are a lot of scam accounts out there, so please be aware. They're now already starting on this channel here in the comments section. So again, we will never write to you in WhatsApp. We have no WhatsApp group or anything. So please don't reply to any of these bot comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.